Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know.
Mm.
Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. Where you go, Alan? The market you go or where you go?
Over bush.
Where you go, Alan?
Over bush.
Over gully?
Yeah, man, over gully we go.
Put them together, make the people and see them. I wonder if them all come here before them brush it done. Anybody all come here?
But thanks to the size of them brush here.
And we are bigger over there too.
Man, bigger over there too.
Yeah. Breadfruit, we are going to roast breadfruit for uncle, for dad, brother, care back of foreign. So make sure you don't come before all them brush here done, you know. Because the rain and fall and all that, me look on some nice one over there still left, you know.
Yeah, man, some pretty breadfruit.
Yeah, man, on the party. On the try coming up, if you don't come, you can't blame me, right, Alan?
Can't blame me. Can't
Yeah.
blame me, auntie. And then there.
Yeah, we are going to roast. We have got that sweep up and a brush up and all of that. Dad, watch behind you. And we are going to brush up the place before we start roast the brush. Because I'm not like the chaka-chaka-ness in Alan. Alan, we are do there. Yeah, take out the... watch out the knife, go down in that easy.
Yeah, man, see you live in your lawn.
Yeah, man. Turn it over, make them... What? Yo, that brush here, yo.
Sample.
Yeah, we are going foreign with it. Foreign breadfruit. Foreign breadfruit, Alan. Tell them.
Foreign thing.
Foreign thing, yeah. We tell them, so them for coming, Alan.
Come out here and you get the rain.
Yeah, we tell them for coming, you know.
Foreign.
But at the COVID, man. Yeah, COVID. Yeah. Anytime everything done, them all come, man. See there? And we are going to roast them on the spot. We don't have to logo with them, no roast. Yeah, I catch you on the back. We are going to clean up, set up the fire, and all of that. You know that? I know that would they look so over that ass would. Terence, come help Alan catch up the fire. Because if me follow Alan, we sleep here tonight, you know. We have to go town, you know. Come, man. No, nobody watch your curry, Terence, man. Just build up the fire, man. Do you know say Alan a slow coach, man? Just pick out about 4 or 5 of the big one. Them see also with some water in it like on a flat bridge. Turn it down. Terence, you can't allow Alan to wait for Alan. Alan no understand that thing, you know. Curry going to deal with him different something curry in the panda. Pick up about 4 or 5 of the big one and go and make them run, man. We can't carry down them here for the man. We don't stop for peel them, you know. Where bag there? Where feeding bag there?
Feeding bag?
Alan, take your body out of my face. And Terence, you don't know if Alan involved in it at all tomorrow evening. What do you, man? You don't know what's so you go, man. One set up a fire. Catch up the heart of the fire, Terence.
We have to throw in a hit 15 days. One more wood too, you know.
Yeah, but I can catch you the bramble first. You talk to them kids?
No, you know, from me call this morning, you know.
And then good all try call we, you know. I'm going to beg Uncle Murphy drop me up the road and let me see if I can pick up and buzz them, yeah? That's my problem, you know, for come around here and pass that place, you know. Better only make me walk around this, so. Around that part. So what? So we say Alan take up no dirt? You don't look like Alan. You don't take up no dirt. Still in the same letter if you take up your dirt. Alan take up no dirt. Alan smile. Alan left to take up your dirt over a weekend. Alan take up no dirt. Alan you be tiny. So Parry, that fear help Alan, you know, because if I follow Alan in all next week, all weekend we up here the same way, you know, and the brush in the road. Share! America, turn the one there down, no? Turn down the one there, no? The one there with the water, something like. Yeah, we now carry that in all and I roast them there, all and I go and keep them. If you go in the sun, go burn. Same 2 big one there, a couple here, man, and the round one there. Uncle, we are set up. Where you say a guinea pan soda? So you say guinea put a strong wood? Eh?
What? You tell him, Alan. You put blaze fire like a wolf, you know?
Eh? Alan, you suppose curry, you supposed to bake one pudding for people then. The ella top, ella bottom, and hallelujah in the middle. Alan, you know a potato over there?
All you want is potato.
So Alan, you don't plant nothing in the bush? Eh? No, me ask you, you know no cassava over there? So you not plant no potato, you not plant no cassava, where you plant? Where you plant, Corey? Nothing at all. Alan do nothing but farm. Everybody is farm food, Alan farm fat. So you going to live, Alan, if you not plant no potato? When the breadfruit then done, what happen?
How much breadfruit that can hold now?
But we roast some of them big one here first, Alan.
It's the broad and the fire more.
Yeah, you want broad more.
No, what you can do, you can put piece more something and make a next set of fire over here, so. But Alan, watch out. You see, oh, no care no more fire come out here, so man, you see, I go kill this. No, this, care about the fire back down to some, man. No care no more. No care no more fire come up there, so yo. Alan, you did that drink rum now? So here I'm also junky. You want to take this because eat a broke with it too. Are the dump them in a dump up, you know?
I dump up.
Yeah, down the bottom they are solid.
The boy bury up a heap of sitting on the ground there.
Like a clown.
Like a duck.
Why me I beg God for holding hand today and I make the rain fall. And when was the last day rain fall up here, Alan?
Eh?
And when was the last day rain? I don't want the rain fall and rain out the breadfruit them like with you. Should I have them breadfruit here, Road?
Them roast already. What time now?
Long time, because the rain. If we even get them set here roast, I have to carry them up. Alan, this is a breadfruit roll we go all about, you know, master. I want one for you.
Blaze them up on them.
Alright, we don't want to burn them up. We don't want them turn some little bit of something when then done. I want to go and feel and when your leg go on one straight.
I want bow leg in here.
I want bow leg and I want straight one. One bow leg and one straight leg. Alan, you're best. Blow, Alan. Yeah. I make brigade come here, you know. Pull him up out the pot can't wash again.
Yo. Some blows and
I cook some them and I have fried piece of meat. I'm still going to use up in 2 pieces of steak.
Take them up, man. Take them up. Draw them up. Steal it sometimes. Still go on like the film Edna right now.
I'll be go and take them off. Man just go and see man walk and take up some chips and put it on and eat it. By the time I go and come, I say, wash it, I burn the meat, I burn it. It's dry fire to blow and stuff.
That I go block with Alan, you can't go this side the edge, you know, see. Money? No, Alan, tell the people I want for your tour right there, so. I bread it a beg or a breadfruit.
I couldn't breadfruit because we have enough. So.
And this is one in his socks. And that the one out of his socks. Alan, you're a real sample, trust me. Corey never see that type of socks. That's the one in his socks. This one. Yo, Alan, you're the best. Me don't lie. You are the very best. Trust me. Me I beg God for holding hands. See over yonder they look, you know. See it in the seat party. Over Mother Rig there. Why them days you can't even take where the rain come from, you know, Corey? It a come from all over me. I beg God do holding hand. I better say Japa City yesterday, you know, boy. Me say Japa City till me afraid. Corey, stop the ball. So we say he must sleep.
One dog one side and one for one dead side.
But when he leave?
One dog neck on a dog motor and the boy neck and the one motor and the boy neck run it.
It's a sample boy.
Yes, you know where this I'm gonna come from with the two little dog them side. One neck there so and one dog neck there so and feet head in between. And in 2 hands round the two dogs well that long, sleeping with sheet cover across it over. You know what kind of style that?
A boy style.
Boy style.
Yeah.
Boy style.
Barry, we are waiting for the breadfruit that we are big father do. Just hold up in hand today. And, you know, make we roast the bread them and just hold up your hand pan the rain.
Breadfruit a roast, Barry.
Yeah, breadfruit a roast.
Breadfruit a roast.
Yeah. Alana, you're going to name breadfruit and corn pork later?
No campo.
You know what you just doing it?
No corn pork, Alan.
You know, ice water.
Alan, in the ice there. Boy, Alan, you treat with shabby. Uncle Murphy, you know, say somebody did say, like how Alan did lift up before the egg them are going to spoil. Scobby, come here. Scoob. I wonder when time your master when I feed you, call you come. Come here. Come here to me. Alan Scobby want worm medicine. She want worm mix. Scobby, come here. Don't get no more pregnant for the rest of the year. Come here. Watch how she walk and I go like she nice. And just a walk and take all kind of... Come here, Scoob. Scobby. What you stylish walking? She don't take the check with Steely, you know. Scooby a broth. Boy. Scooby. Me want to see Scooby kids them. You say them pretty, Uncle Murphy?
Yeah, them answer them pretty.
Alan, you must make them grow and come nice.
Two brown one,
Brown?
I'm green.
Fair color and one black one, yeah.
You know who's supposed to breed it?
Me no know. A pretty breezy puss?
Breezy puss.
So a nice puss then.
Breezy puss a black puss.
So Alan, me want you just make the little baby them grow up, the little pit in them. Alan, me I beg you do. Just cook little food. Me I go bring little food for them. There? Bow shoe? I want bow shoe, I miss it. Who wants the Scooby baby them? That Scooby she a walk on a boss and a pose. Me know say she not hungry. At least me know Scooby not hungry. Shoe that bush? Me feel hungry now there. I say Alan. Feel like I eat something nice and I have the fried rice and shrimps. You know eat shrimp? Oh, me don't want no bread now. I just start me at me just drink something nice. Me don't want me not gonna eat that. You gonna eat that, Uncle Murph? Roast breadfruit and chicken. Stew chicken. Yeah, stew chicken left in there. Yeah. Plumber working. Alan, Plumber left if you do some work, I don't do no work. Yeah, Corey, Corey says your cousin is the truth, Alan. You are not a man to your word. Anybody can win any big lottery for you. And them are going to win. You just be to your word and surprise somebody one night time, man. But look here. Me not think no woman come from foreign again about with Alan. Because Alan has said nothing to him. I'm not show them when you have to offer. Go give them a house tour. Eh? Yeah, Alan. Yeah, look for Murphy. You're going like in a ear. When them ready for come, them need to see the house tour. Them have to see the place where you sleep. Them want to know where you sleep. Them need to know the people, the ladies. Them want to see where Alan sleeping before them come.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this them have to know where you sleep. Nobody will just see you. We don't know what going on for the camera. So you need to show the lady them. You have to have a place to show them. No, make Alan planting. Me planting. Your Uncle Murphy do no bother. Yeah, give curry. No, turmeric. That young, you know, curry, that no come to perfection. We buy your market and we take out that piece there. You don't know what we call it, Tambrica country. Turmeric are the right name.
Oh, this I would make curry.
Yeah, use the curry.
Use it with curry.
Yeah. Oh, we are going to plant it, Alan.
No, Carl, this won't come.
Yeah, all right. Go on and come. Eh? Uncle Murphy, you walk out the belly there. Go on bad. You see it? A broth, like Scobby.
A broth.
Why? Because Alan no go on for the shade them here. Them a look good. Alan turn the long one they right there, so no? But Alan, let me ask you a question. Your foot not at in them slippers there in idea. Eh? I want to hear arthritis to have you always wear socks. So why you always dress up in a socks? You not tell no lie. Cousin Scobby, yo. Where baby them there? Where are they lady? Auntie Scobby. You have time for Scobby eat again? Scobby. Scobby. Boy, the stew chicken and fried dumpling sweet. Scobby, you see curry?
And me give a round there, you know?
Yeah, Scobby. Scob. Wagwan, you love the meat, the food where you get. Where your baby them there? Let me ask you a question. Where your baby father there?
You see how breezy?
Go look for your baby. Scobby. Where your babies are? Scob. But for your little girl, you can't baby for fast. Every minute you have picking, what do you so? Hey, what a big old lotty bug.
I'm breathing to competition.
You know, some of the eating all the year, them come out.
Oh.
That's true, you know,
Them, you're in there, but not son of. Scobby.
They have a time when they
Scobby. What happened? Yeah, them are done out here now. Scobby, Scob. You just take time just come in at the poker fair, so Scobby. Face still like. I yam people food and so face. Your chest high. You want fried dumpling and stew fowl. Eh? Scobby. You want fried dumpling, try though? You want fried dumpling and stew fowl. Eh? Eh? No have no more baby, that me I tell you. That thing's rough. Alan buy one case of last coffee Scobby. One case, because she has breastfeed. One case, right, Alan? Scobby. Are you sure wait pan to say something in Alan? Tell her something, no?
Right, Scob. Scob.
Alright, Barry. So that I pack up share. Let me show you I got foreign straight. Foreign brush them. Wow, one of them brush you for scrape. Can't scrape breadfruit, di?
No, sir.
I can see a bag of breadfruit, no, I can see. Yeah, them show you nice. Them look good. Yeah, them look good. I want them to see them. You put them in the bag before them see them. Love them. Love them. We have few look more we are wait for them in the fire. Me I tell you no party when them brush the band pan the tree, they never know. So that's straight off and them are going to end up. That's how the thing said. In Jackor. I got foreign, yeah, them feel nice. Alan can take out them two, you know, man. And see Alan have some more like a fluxy one, yeah. More on that one there. Take out that one, more on them two, yeah. I carry them two there. You see that one, yeah? No, I don't want so much. I do it so much.
Might want breadfruit.
Oh, because them one never roast me, I carry for Uncle Wayne. Alan take out them two last one and I wet them up. Uncle Wayne good after I get them two, yeah. Whole of New York, Queens and all, but night try steak. Yeah, brush. So curry the pan a giant there.
Yeah, I build up a little giant. You know?
Yeah, alright. Alan, I'm a giant this works means me there. Eh? That me I say curry Alan about a dozen. Alan take out the shirt and sitting on top of the shed and burn up no man. Turn it over Alan and burn it too much on one side till it dent. The breadfruit are fair, roasted and fair. No, we don't know when the breadfruit them have fault, you know, till ready to peel them, you know. When you're ready to peel them and then the breadfruit them broke up now. Which breadfruit? Me never get no breadfruit, roast breadfruit from your carton, yo. Alan, stop talking about and a roast breadfruit. Them look up Thai, I look up Dali house breadfruit. Them I first me I see nice breadfruit like this.
Don't tell your auntie say.
Yo, all you go on in Alan, you know see me roast tell him, Terence, be fair. You know you can't roast breadfruit like me, you know, yo. You can't alright, hold on. Hold on. Hold not we. Me see you sit down there and go on with all kind of pastoral and all kind of something there. None of them can roast breadfruit like me, you know. Cause when me roast breadfruit, me not dent up breadfruit, you know, yo. I'm in a roast breadfruit pan nothing but wood fire. I'm not talk about pan stove top. Alright, when I come back up, I'm going to run a breadfruit fire and make the people them see. But I run one show them already a city. But are the two big breadfruit in there. You can't roast breadfruit like me. I'm going to show you. I'm going to want none of you come near the fire. That me I tell you. Yeah, no, a serious thing me the pan. Alan roast breadfruit and when you see a breadfruit sinking, I burn it, I roast breadfruit, you know. Yeah. Yeah. So I eat that in a party for the brush, yeah. Yeah, we got different pan, a different move off and you look, you know, you see the time. You know, them time of year, you know, curry, when you reach at 3 o'clock, the time just change, you know. Yeah, you see, holiday, end of year. Coop. See me grandbaby them there? Parry. Coop, 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 coop. Two of them. Then I say, completely them. You have to go get pancakes or pamper. Pamper. Coop, 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 coop. Curry. Country there, you know, so we call Vola country, you know. Yeah. Look how they look cute, not true? In the dark. Come here. Come. She a come. Call him now, man. Come. Come, baby. Come, kitty puss. Come, kitty puss. Come, Brock Kitchen.
Come bring her.
Come, Brock Kitchen.
Come bring her. Yeah, they're on there. Come bring her.
Aye, Brock Kitchen, come. Wow. Come here. A Scobby baby that in a party. Come bring her.
Come near me, no, come dash them.
Stop it, you can't show away. Come.
Come easy.
The thirst come say hi to the peeps and bring her. You happy with her? She nice, Alan. A boy or a girl. Come here. Come here. Bringle, let me see your face. Let me see Bringle face now. Come, Bringle. Yo, Bringle, look up in this. Here. Wow. You have nerves problem, Bringle. Yeah, shake so. Wow, she shake up. Wow, she pretty. Lad. Hurry, we are cut.
Yeah, Parry.
Be steel worker go on there, so you know. Steel man at work and him not talk to nobody. So you see what go on there, so? Here still a cut here, so working, you know. And a lay, we are lay. And we not raise puss nor fall here, so. I work here, so for when the people them come, them have a nice feeling going on. So me I say, all the people them say the place too dirty. So we are try straighten up, you see what we are say? Yeah, so let them know, so we are try to look a thing. So me I say, Jackor, yeah, we are try our best when they come, they can look good.
Accommodated, you know?
Right. You're rough, you know, but we are trying. Yeah.
We are trying.
And all of that. And see some of my grandkids them here, Parry. Coop. The lady say, I'll lift up the fowl and spoil the egg them and that are true. Oh, the two come out of the 13 egg then. Look up in there, look, boy, sit down there, do there. And so, Curry, we are cut. Make them know so we talk again, you know, we talk to them again,
Parry.
Jackor.
I want love same way, you know.
Yeah, man.
So you don't know. I move with people, I move again, so you don't know. So we still in I St. Mary same way. We now waste no time. And we not create no crime.
Yeah.
So
I love that one, the Curry one, waste the time, we not create no crime.
We just leave it
And that I move through with some Breadfruit and him, I burn him. Burn him.
See that the come with
Burn him in there, burn him.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
yes,
pressure we say around here. Yeah, hungry at tech we at town, you see, boy. Yo, Dad, put in the pressure them. Yeah. Tell them about the breadfruit, them are there for roast, you know. So, yeah, man.
You know?
Yeah, them breadfruit, I find breadfruit.
Yeah, man.
Foreign breadfruit in Korea.